this video, I will show you how to update your HEB account information. So first of all, open HEB app or simply go to Chrome or any web browser. Then in the search bar, search for HEB. Click on it. Now in the top right corner, you will see this cart icon and right beside it, there is profile icon. Click on it. Make sure you are logged into your account. Simply click on continue, then you will get a verification code in your email. Get that code, then you will be logged into your HEB account. After that, to update your HEB information, click on that profile icon again. There right below personal information, you will find edit. Click on edit. After that, from there you will be able to edit your personal information about your account details. Then simply click on save. And you're done. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.